Hello friends, in this session I have discussed on best first search algorithm in artificial intelligence. Before starting this session, I have discussed on two basic search algorithms which is depth first search and breadth first search. In this algorithm, we proceed in a systematic way by discovering nodes in a predetermined order. In these algorithms, at each step during the process of searching, there is no assessment of which way to go because the method of moving is fixed at the outset. So now I start this session on best first search algorithm. Best first search algorithm comes under the informed method. So what is informed and uninformed method? First, I have discussed on informed or blind methods, where the search is carried out without any additional information that is already provided in the problem statement. Example like breadth first search and depth first search algorithms. Now, I have discussed on informed or heuristic methods, where search is carried out by using additional information to determine the next steps toward finding the solution. Best first search is an example of such methods. Now, I have discussed on heuristic search. Heuristic search algorithm, the basic idea of heuristic search is that rather than trying all possible search paths at each step, we try to find which path seems to be getting us nearer to our goal states. Now, I have explained what is best first search. Best first search combines the benefits of both depth first and breadth first search by moving along a single path at a time, but change paths whenever some other path looks more promising than the current path. Now, I have explained in which way best first search algorithm is work. First, I discuss the concept of this algorithm. Let open be a priority queue containing initial state. Here, a priority queue means we can insert and remove the data based on node's heuristics value. Then loop. If open is empty, return failure. Otherwise, remove the first node from the open. That's called node. If a node is a goal, then return the path from initial to goal node. Else, generate all successor of node and put the nearly generated node into open according to their H value. Here, H value means heuristics value. Then we have close our loop. So before discussing the algorithm step, first I explain what is open and closed. Open list means in the list of nodes which have been found but yet not expanded, means the node which have been discovered but whose successors are yet not discovered. Closed list means contains expanded or visited nodes, means the nodes whose successors are also generated. Now, I have explained in which way open and closed list work. Now, see in figure, we have start node A and we have expand this node. So, first we have put A into open list, then after generate its successor node B and node C. Now put node A into closed list. Now we have insert node B and C based on its heuristics value. Node C has less heuristics values compared to node B. So we have insert node C first in the open list, then we have insert node B into open list. Now we have expand node C and its successor is node D and E. Then put node C into closed list. Now we have insert node D and E based on its heuristics values. Node D has less heuristics values compared to node E. So we have insert node D first, then node E in open list. Now we have expand node D and its successor is node F and G. Then put node D into closed list. So this way we can insert and remove data from the open list and put that data into closed list. Now we have discussed how best first search algorithm work. See in figure, we have start node A and goal node G, and its intermediate node like node B, C, D, E, F, H, and its cost to reach to its neighbor node. That cost is indicated in red color. But best first search algorithm works on heuristics value. So we have straight line distance means heuristics value which indicate in which distance or cost value we have reached to our goal node. Now remember one thing friends, in best first search algorithm we have only discussed or consider heuristics value to reach our goal node. So in this example, we have considered only straight line value to reach our goal node. Now, we have solved this example with the help of best first search algorithm. Now, we have put A into open list based on the algorithm. Because first step of algorithm is set open be a priority queue containing initial states. Now, we have indicate A to node A, and node A has not our goal node. So, we have generate its successor based on the algorithm discussed. So, node A has node B, C, and D successor. Then put node A into closed list. See here friends, node A has indicated in red color in closed list because it's expanded. Now we have insert node B, C, and D in open list based on its heuristics value to reach goal node. Node B has 33 heuristics value. Node C has 26 heuristics value. Node D has 34 heuristics value. Now, based on less heuristics value, we have insert that node into open list. So, we have insert node C, B, and D into open list. Now, we have indicate C to node C and generate its successor. So, node C has node E and F successor. Then after, put node C into closed list. See here friends, node A and C has indicated in red color in closed list because it's expanded. Now, we have insert node E and F in open list based on its heuristics value to reach goal node. Node E has 20 heuristics value and node F has 18 heuristics value. Now, based on less heuristics value, we have insert that node in open list. So, we have insert node F and E in open list. Now, we have indicate F to node F and generate its successor. So, node F has only one successor and it's G. Then put node F into closed list. Now, see friends, node A, C, and F has indicate in red color in closed list because it's expanded. Now, indicate G has node. See here, G has 0 heuristic value because it's our goal node. Now, we have reached to our goal node and generate the path to reach our goal node. And that path is, we have moved first A to C, C to F, F to G. And this way we have reached to our goal node. So friends, this way best first search algorithm works. So thank you friends watching this video. I hope you can understand in which way best first search algorithm works. Thank you.